Hi there, friends and fellow crafters. It's LeeAnn, and I am here today with a card I made for Imagine. So here we go. I have my card base, which is an A2 size, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I'm going to use this beautiful Blooms stamp set from MFT, inking it up with Versamark ink and stamping it down, using my Imagine craft mat as the padding so that I get a good impression. And I'm going to stamp this 3 times on various places within the card. I am going to get out my coffee filter and my Clear embossing powder. And I have moved my embossing powders to these little containers to make them just easier for me to pour, and just like that. And get my heat tool out and heat this baby up. So I do tend to start from the back and then come forward so that I get as little warping as possible. I don't like it when my card warps, and I don't know anybody that does. So for me, it's just easier to start from the back, move to the front, and then come back again. So while that is cooling back down, I have this panel of cardstock that I have used double-sided sticky paper. And I'm going to run that through my little prism die cutter here with the Hello die, which is also from MFT. And back to my card panel. I have my little ink sponges here, and I am using Dandelion and Cantaloupe Memento Reinkers, as well as I'm going to pull in a Delicata Pink Shimmer. I think that's what it's called. Pink Shimmer Reinker. And I'm going to hit those flowers up here. I love this technique. It makes it so fun. And these flowers, they just, with the pink having the shimmer in it, they just pop. So I'm just going to keep going over it. I probably should have stopped already, but I kept going. And there we go. My panel's done. Oh, there we go. Had to get a little bit more of that dandelion and cantaloupe on my flowers. So I'm going to clean up my area here. And now I'm going to put my card, flip it over because I have embossing powder on the back of my panel, or of my mat. Now I'm going to use my tear it tape, put my panels together. I only tear off a small portion so that I could get it lined up on the card base properly. Then I'll peel the rest. So here we go. Now for the top part of my card base, get that on there, get it right where I like it. Peel off the rest. Now for my hello, I did use this double stick paper on the back, so that will be sticky already for me. And I love being able to do that. It's just trying to get it all off. Sorry, I'm out of screen there. Alright, so I've got my hello, and I did decide to leave it white. Sorry about the rain. It literally just started raining here. So I'm using a Joy Clair sentiment set to get the sentiment that I'm using for this card. It was a digital set, so I have to look it up and see what the name of that set is. So now I'm cutting a piece of black to border my sentiment strip with, so that it'll match my card base because I did a black border. Use a little bit of that tear it tape to put that down there. Put my sentiment on, and my card is complete. It says hello to a special friend. All links will be listed down below. Thank you for watching. Hit that button to subscribe. Have a great day.